Okay, you guys, so today we talk about negative sentence. How to say negative sentence in Khmer. So example, I ask you like, do you want to go out? Ta này trong ta khả gón. Like translate in Khmer, we say, do you want to go out? Ta này trong ta khả gón. And how to answer that? In negative sentence, you say, ខ្ញុំអត់ទៅទេខ្ញុំអត់ទៅទេខ្ញុំអត់ទៅទេអអត់ទៅទេអត់ទៅទេអត់ទៅទេ is odd is mean like a no ទៅ is like a verb go. Te is like they always put at the end of the sentence. So ought te. Put it that way. Like every time you want to make a negative sentence in Khmer, you need to put ought and te like on the side and the verb in the middle. So ought and then the verb and then te at the end. So ought te. Like don't go. Literally mean like that. Don't go. So another example, like do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? In Khmer we say តើអ្នកមានប្រយោជន៍តើអ្នកមានប្រយោជន៍តើអ្នកមានប្រយោជន៍ So how to answer that in negative sentence? You say អត់មានទេ See? So it's like when you want to make a negative sentence, it's like you follow by the verb. When they say do you have, like តើអ្នកមាន you say, and in answer you say អត់មានទេ so អត់ and ទេ the side of the verb, so you put មាន in the middle អត់មានទេ don't have អត់មានទេ